What are skills that they should be learning that would then set them up for success as individual contributors and managers?
The dark horse skill of the next decade is low context communication. And this is a bit of a paradoxical term. What it means is that you communicate with a high degree of detail and precision because you assume that the audience has no to low context. In other words, you share and convey and articulate information in a way that assumes people are starting from zero. And what that does is it empowers them to loop themselves. If you have a system where people need to be looped in, that means that people are not communicating with low context. As the world becomes more and more scaled and more distributed, this skill is going to be absolutely vital because they're communicating one time with low context. Other organizations are having a series of 6 or 7 ill-timed meetings to accomplish the same thing.